always think about having a healthy body, healthy skin, even healthy teeth. But ladies, do you ever think about having a healthy vagina? We are back with Dr. J.D. McCoy from Contour Medical, and we're talking about a new procedure called ThermiVa. And you guys are the first to use this device. Tell us about it.
ThermiVa uses radio frequency to heat the tissue, which restores collagen, and there's multiple benefits from that. But I was the first physician in the country to actually use the procedure, and what we find is that patients see multiple improvements on many different levels.
Right, and the device is fairly small. You actually have it here. So what's happening to the skin in the vagina?
To the skin, the tip of this little wand is delivering heat, gentle, very comfortable. There's no downtime, no discomfort. And what that is doing is stimulating contraction, stimulating better blood flow, and improving collagen formation. And that does many different things, including improving urinary incontinence, improving tightness and tone, cosmetically improving things, and also helping with dryness and discomfort.
Yeah, you know, there's a sign out front that says reclaim, restore, revive. And I'm assuming that means your sex life, because so many women don't want to talk about it.
Absolutely, and this is something I didn't realize until I started asking my patients about it. And it's a very common thread that for many women, as they age, they don't have the same sensation, same satisfaction, same comfort. And all of that can affect your relationship. And I have numerous stories of patients that have had a total revitalization of both their relationship and emotional relationship with their partner.
How many treatments should we receive?
This is typically a treatment series of 3, but pretty much every patient notices something right after their first treatment.
That's gotta make you feel good. I mean, you do head to toe makeovers in here, but when you're talking about improving your sex drive, your sex life, just your overall feeling like a woman, that's gotta make you feel pretty good.
It's huge because it's more than that too, it's their confidence.
Yeah.
And I think when you can improve someone's sex life, I always say they're a patient for life.
This is Brittany Sullivan. She is a patient here at Contour Medical, and she tried the ThermiVa treatment about a month ago. And you're also a mom and a wife, so how old is your daughter?
My daughter is 11.
Is 11. So were you having issues at all?
You know what, I didn't know at the time that I was even having issues. I certainly didn't have any complaints in my intimate life. My husband didn't have any complaints, and so I guess with that area, you don't really know what you don't know because you're so used to how you do feel down there.
I love the way you said that. You don't know what you don't know.
Yeah,
because you're just used to, we're used to our ladies, we're used to our vagina. Let's just be honest, right?
Yeah.
So when you had the treatment, how many did you have? How many treatments?
I've only had 1 treatment so far.
And what did you notice? Did you notice a difference?
A huge difference, and right away too. That's what I loved the most about the procedure, was that there was absolutely no downtime at all. Like even that same night, I was able to be intimate with my husband if I wanted to, and of course,
did he notice a difference?
Absolutely.
Really?
Yeah, 100%.
Okay, so were you having incontinence issues? Were you having vaginal dryness?
I wasn't so much having vaginal dryness. I was having a little bit of incontinence in the fact that, you know, if I were to be doing heavy squats or something, or, you know, jumping on the trampoline, or if I, you know, sneezed really hard or something, you know, sometimes I would notice that, but it wasn't enough for me to warrant seeking out surgery for like a whole vaginal reconstruction or something like that. And so
was the treatment painful?
Not at all.
Not at all?
Not at all. I was actually surprised in the fact that it kind of felt good. Super happy about it. I feel like they should rename it the Magic Wand, because I know we're all seeking those magic, you know, things that, oh, just really quick, come in and fix it for me with the magic wand, and that's what this is.
And it really, truly is just that.
Yes.
Wow. And it's interesting because, you know, for women out there, if you've given birth to a child, you know, that's one of the things that people say. You know, you just can't get that part of your life back, but you're saying you are restoring your sex drive.
Yeah, 100%. And I feel like, you know, after you become a mommy, you always tell yourself, oh, later down the road, after the kids are grown, you know, or, you know, we focus, or you have girl talk about breast augmentation, things like that, but the vagina isn't something that you bring up during lunch conversation with your girlfriends.
Or even your doctor, for that.
Not even your doctor, and not even really with your husband, because he certainly isn't going to complain about it if he's smart.
No matter what
know?
It's like, right?
And, you know, it's not something that I would research or look out, you know, or seek out to try to find improvement, because you kind of get in your groove, and I don't want to say this, but it's almost true that you kind of forget what you did feel like however many years ago after before having kids. And so that was one thing that it was like a jaw dropper that night later after the therapy, which only took 30 minutes, was that I thought, oh my gosh, I feel like I'm 19 again.
Wow.
Yeah.
So you got your groove back.
Got my groove back.
And I love it. Well, thank you so much for sharing this very intimate story with us, because that's the thing. It's a very intimate conversation. If you're ready to get your groove back and try the magic wand, as Brittany said, give Contour Medical a call. Okay, ladies, treat yourself early this Mother's Day. Your partner will thank you. Contour Medical is offering you a package of 3 ThermiVa treatments for $2,700. That is a savings of $300. They are located in Gilbert. Give them a call, 480-545-2832, or visit them online, contourmedical.com.